it's pretty cool. I've never experienced this before as a member of a cast or as an audience, and they've really pulled out all the stops. I can't wait to hear what the audience thought of the film, because I think it's really special. They've really managed to meld all of the different elements, and I think it's got something for every Tron fan, and I'm proud of it. It's good. I'm proud to be a part of it. It's fun to observe. It's fun to participate in the small way that I do, and you know, they're just their performances in the film are also really wonderful. It's wonderful to also to have such you know, such big female characters in a big, historically very masculine film, and have them be, you know, Greta's character is the CEO of the top tech company, and to have a woman in STEM being, you know, at the front and center of such a big blockbuster feature as this it's pretty cool. And you know, I hope young women get to see, get to dream big as the result of seeing that representation on screen. So.